Hello everyone, welcome once again to Bouquets by Nicole. I'm Nicole and today I'm going to show you a bouquet by the name of Royalty. These are the roses I'm using today, deluxe royal blue roses, hence the name Royalty. The colors are so rich. And these are the brooches that I'm going to be using today. Aren't they gorgeous? So we have about maybe 10 of those brooches, and then we have some small embellishments that we're going to use along with the brooches just to add, you know, that extra bling. We have some flat back pearl buttons trimmed with rhinestones, and then we have some rhinestones, pointed back rhinestones, and some smaller brooches. What you'll need is your wooden holder, your styrofoam half ball. I'm using the 8-inch today. This is going to be a 9 to 10-inch bouquet. This bouquet is available in the kit and as well as the bouquet. So that's the ribbon you're going to use, the 2-inch ribbon to make the leaves and the 1-inch ribbon to wrap your holder. Yes, and we're also going to be using some pearl garland to trim the bottom of the bouquet, the base of the flowers. You'll see, it's going to be gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Okay, so let's get started. I already have my styrofoam ball and my wooden holder assembled, and I'm just going to cover the bottom of my styrofoam half ball. I'm rushing through this because this is shown in all of my videos, and I know I'm being redundant, but you know, we do have some first timers viewing the videos and we want to show them how to do the full bouquet. So if I know a lot of you are faithful viewers of my channel and you've seen me do what I'm going to do tons of times, but there are other people, newcomers, so bear with me, okay? You can speed up through the video if you'd like, but I'm speeding it up too, you know, so that you won't get bored with me. Don't get bored with me, guys. All right, so I'm just putting my roses on. I already have the bottom row in place. Now I'm just going through. I usually just put my glue down, and with these deluxe roses you can move so quickly with them because you can put your glue down and then just go around with your roses. All right, I'm almost done with the roses here. I only have to put a few more in place, and then, you know, we'll be done with applying the roses and we can get to the fun stuff, the decorating. Yes, the colors for these roses are so rich, aren't they? Oh my goodness. I am loving this royal blue. Yes. All right, so this is how you make the leaves, guys, that go at the bottom of the bouquet. I do this in all of my videos because I get a lot of questions about them, so that's why I always show you guys how to do them. So you just cut the ribbon, loop it over with a little bit of glue, cut a V at the bottom of the leaf. You're doing that to eliminate some of the ribbon, so that when you go to cover up your holder, you don't have any lumps and bumps under there. So that's why we make V's at the bottom of the leaves. I'm rhyming. All right, so we're just gonna go around the base of our bouquet with our leaves. I'm almost done. Only got a few more to put in place. Look at this color. Isn't this blue gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Simply beautiful. All right, so I'm done with my leaves. And look at the V. Look how neat that is at the bottom there. All right, so now we just want to cut out a little circle with that 2-inch width ribbon to cover the bottom of our wooden holder. We want to cover that up. You don't want that visible. And then we're just going to go with our 1-inch ribbon and cover our holder. And like I always tell you guys, use as little glue as possible. And when you're wrapping your holder, make sure you pull the ribbon really tight so that that will, you know, reduce your chances of having wrinkles and bumps on your holder. So you just wrap your ribbon around the holder like so. And I'm just about done. Just put a little glue under there. And when you're working with these dark colors, you have to be so careful with your hot glue because once this hot glue dries, it dries white and you don't want it on your materials. So make sure you use as little glue as possible. All right, guys, the party is starting now. Let's put our brooches in place. We're going to put our large rhinestone brooch at the top, and then we're just going to go around the sides with 4 brooches on the sides at the top. That's the top level. And then at the bottom level, we'll go in between those 4 brooches with additional brooches, but they'll be smaller. They won't be as large as the ones we're putting in the top level. So I have my 4 brooches in place, and then I'm just going to go in between those 4 brooches with the smaller brooches. And then I'm going to go in with my flat back pearls, which are trimmed with rhinestones. I love using these as fillers. They're just so beautiful, and they just add you know, that real light touch. It's not overpowering. It's just a nice, pretty embellishment, and I love using those. And now I'm using my pointed back rhinestones as well. So I use the flat back pearls and the rhinestones as embellishments. Now my customer wanted some pearls at the bottom of her roses, so I'm just going to go around with my pearl garland maybe twice to thicken it up, because once isn't enough. So to have like that pearly look under the roses, I'm going to go around twice with the pearl garland. All of the materials that are in this kit are also sold separately. You can purchase them individually on our website at bouquetsbynicole.com. So I just put on my second layer of pearls, and I like it. I like how that looks. That's pretty. That's really pretty. All right, guys, here's the finished look with my brooches, my flat backs, and my smaller brooches. Let me know what you think. I'm loving this. I love the colors. I love the bling. I think this is another hit, guys. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Bye-bye.